Looking to join someone on Roblox when their join's off? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do so. So first you have to open any browser on your PC or device, and then you have to head over to your Roblox account. And now you have to click these three lines on the top left corner and choose Friends. In the Friends menu, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to search for any friend that you want to add. Let's search for a friend and press enter, and then it's going to show you the results for people. You'll automatically know if someone's join is turned off. You simply have to click add friend. And if you want to join someone on Roblox when their join's off, you simply have to open a new tab over here by clicking this plus sign. I already opened one, and then click these three dots on the top right corner. And now you have to come to this extensions option and choose visit Chrome Web Store, and it's going to bring you to your Chrome Web Store. And here you have to search for row searcher in this box. Once you search for row searcher, it's going to show you this extension over here. You simply have to click add to Chrome. And once you hit add to Chrome, it's going to give you this pop-up, click add extension, and it's going to add this extension to your Chrome. And now you can see that it has added this extension to my Chrome. Once the extension is added, you'll be able to join someone on Roblox whether their join's off.